Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. Today, we're exploring the Shape Builder extension. This powerful extension lets you create custom shapes directly inside Elementor, ideal for sections, columns, or containers. Use it to design unique backgrounds, dividers, and decorative elements without external software. It adds modern style, visual depth, and greater design flexibility to your layouts. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. To start using the Shape Builder extension, sign into your WordPress dashboard and open the Element Pack Pro panel from the left side menu. This will bring you to the Element Pack dashboard, where a set of vertical tabs runs along the left side of the screen. From here, open the Extensions tab. In the search bar at the top right, type Shape Builder. Once it appears, activate it by toggling the switch, then save your settings to confirm the change. After the extension is enabled, open your Elementor page editor. In this example, we already have a design on the canvas. Select the image widget in the layout to begin working with it. Navigate to the Advanced tab, then scroll until you find the Shape Builder section. Once you locate it, click to expand the panel. Inside, you'll see a switch labeled Enable Shape Builder. Turn this on, and a new panel called Shapes will appear. The tool automatically adds a default circle shape to your canvas. Click the circle shape to explore its customization options. The first setting you'll notice is Shape Type. Shape Builder includes 7 built-in shape types: circle, square, triangle, corner, blob, oval, and verify badge. You also have the option to upload your own custom SVG shape, which gives you even more design freedom. To make the shape stand out more clearly, adjust its color. You can choose solid or gradient colors, and for this example, we'll use a gradient with 2 selected color points. This helps the shape become more visually impactful. If you want to use a custom shape, select the Upload option and import an SVG file. Once it's uploaded, you can fully customize its color, size, placement, and even its animation behavior. You can start by adjusting the color to match your design. Then move to the Z-index control, which lets you position the shape in front of or behind your content. Next, adjust the size using the width and height controls until it fits your layout. Below that, you'll find the position settings. These allow you to move the shape horizontally and vertically. You can also fine-tune its location with offset controls to get the exact placement you want. The animation section gives your shapes dynamic movement. You can choose whether the animation triggers when the page loads or when the user hovers over the shape. For now, we'll use the onload trigger. The viewport amount setting determines how visible the shape must be before the animation starts. A value of 0 triggers the animation as soon as any part of the shape enters the viewport, while a value of 1 waits until the entire shape is obvious. Below that, you can pick from an extensive list of animation effects. In this example, we'll choose Fade In. You can then fine-tune the animation with duration and delay controls. The easing options let you control the motion feel, and at the bottom, you'll find a repeat setting for looping effects. You'll also see 2 additional sub-tabs, Normal and Hover. In the Normal tab, you can apply CSS filters and transform effects. The Hover tab contains the same controls, allowing you to create separate hover animations and effects for more interactive designs. Shape Builder doesn't limit you to just one shape. You can add as many shapes as you need by selecting the Add Item button. Each new shape can be styled and animated independently, giving you complete creative flexibility. Once your design looks the way you want, click Publish and preview your work. When you hover over the image, you'll see your custom shapes animate exactly as you set them. And that's it! With the Shape Builder extension, you can easily add custom shapes, animations, and unique visual elements to elevate your Elementor designs. Start exploring these creative tools today. Upgrade your workflow with Element Pack Pro and bring your ideas to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.